Solving simultaneous linear and quadratic equations. Now, when we solve it, we have to be careful. We can solve it and get, because when we've got a quadratic, we've got a U shape, as we know, and a linear, we have a straight line, and it could cross in 2 points, like here. It's going to be 2 points of intersection. It could touch as a tangent, so have 1 point of intersection when it touches as a tangent, or there's no point of intersection at all. That means that it doesn't touch at all. Example 1, find the points of intersection of the line with the equation y equals minus 3x plus 1 and the parabola with the equation y equals x squared minus 5x plus 2. Now, if we're finding the points of intersection, that means at that particular point where they touch or cross, they are equal. So these two equations are equal to each other. So I'm going to just label this number 1, label this number 2. I should write them again and do it, but I'm not. I'm going to say 1 equals equation 2, because that's what happens. So I will get at point of intersection, let's write this down, since they're equal, I get x squared, doesn't matter which one you put first, minus 5x plus 2 equals minus 3x plus 1. I'll bring them all on the one side, so I get x squared. Minus 5x plus 3x gives me minus 2x, and plus the 2 minus the 1 gives me the plus 1, equals 0. Factorising this, and I get x minus 1 all squared equals to 0. Therefore, x equals 1. Now, it is a point of intersection, so we need to find what y equals. So I'll do it on this side. When x equals 1, y equals, it doesn't matter where you substitute it into. I like to substitute it into the straight line because it's easier. So I get minus 3 times 1 plus 1, which means it's negative 3 plus 1, which means it's negative 2. So that's what my y equals. So therefore, point of intersection is at x equals 1 and y equals negative 2. That's how you do it on the calculator. Go to the solve menu, put both of them in. Y equals your straight line and y equals your parabola. Solve for x and y and you get your answers. Remember, there could be more than one. That's for your 4K questions.